Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download your USPS application on your iPhone. USPS, or United States Postal Service, is an independent agency for an executive branch of the United States federal government responsible for providing postal services in the United States. So in order to download the USPS application on your device, first of all, open your App Store or your Play Store. Now go to the search box and type in USPS and then search. Look for this application where it says USPS Mobile from United States Postal Service. Now tap on the Get button and sign in with your Apple ID and password to start downloading the USPS Mobile application on your iPhone. Now once you've done that, you will be able to see the Open button. Simply tap on it to open the app on your device. So that is how you will be able to download the USPS application on your mobile device in just a couple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.